Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So, our today's topic is English 9th standard first poem 1.1 Life. This is a very good poem written by Charlotte Bronte. It is very inspiring how to use or spend our life in a very smooth and harsh way. So let's go and start this poem. Life, believe, is not a dream. Means life is not a belief, is not a dream. It is reality. It is belief. लाइफ कोई सपना नहीं है, वो सच्चाई है. वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. So dark as sages say. The sages here means the priest, means sadhu. They say that the life is very dull, but actually it's not like that. After little morning rain, oft is the short form of often. Foretells a present day. Foretells means prediction. So after little morning rain, uh, foretells a present day. Means if there is little morning in the morning, little rain in the morning, so it's not necessary that the whole day will be raining. It foretells, it predicts that there is a pleasant day after. It tells us that अगर सुबह सुबह कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है, थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है, तो हमें अपसेट नहीं होना चाहिए. उसके बाद खुशियाँ भी वेट कर रही है हमारा, वो भी आने ही वाली है. दे आर कमिंग. So we don't have to be upset to that these problems are there now, whole life will be of problems. No. So let's go further. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. Here it is metaphor, and these clouds of glooms prefer to dullness in life. So it is metaphor, as it is the clouds of gloom are indirectly compared with the problems in the life. So sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. Transient means temporary. कभी कभी दुख होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, तभी ये सब ट्रांसिएंट होते हैं, ये सब टेम्पररी होते हैं, हमेशा के लिए नहीं रहने वाले. वी शुड नॉट बी अपसेट थिंकिंग दैट these problems will be always in our life. No, there will be happiness. These problems are temporary, they are not permanent. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Means, if the showers make the roses to bloom, then why to lament? Lament means complain. Its fall. मतलब shower roses को bloom करता है, तो उसके गिरने पर हमें क्यों fall करना चाहिए? It explains or refers that if there is happiness, so why to complain for the sadness? We have to gain both from the God. We have to fear and face both. So let's go further. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Means very fast, rapidly, quickly, merrily, happily. So quickly and happily, life's sunny hours are the good time in life. Goes by, flit by, goes by. So, gratefully and cheerily, gratefully, thankfully and cheerily, cheerful, energetically. Enjoy them as they fly. Means the अच्छा टाइम ना जल्दी निकल जाता है लाइफ में, तो हमें वो टाइम जितना भी है ना उतना अच्छे से एंजॉय करना चाहिए. नॉट बी ग्रीडी फॉर मोर गुड टाइम, then you will not able to enjoy a little time also that you have. So we should not be greedy for more time. What time we have, we should enjoy it. Next, what though that the time steps in. This is personification, as that is given the human quality of stepping in. So steps in means arrives and calls our best away. This is again personification, as the human quality of calling is given to death. So what to that the time steps in and calls our best away. Best, our best is referred as loved ones, our relatives. So what to that death at times means बहुत बार डेथ आ जाती है और बुल हमारे लव्ड वंस को ले जाती है. तब हमें वी शुड नॉट लूज होप. वी हैव टू have courage. What to sorrow seems to win over hope as heavy sway. Again, personification. What to sorrow seems to win means sorrow is given the human quality of winning. So, what to sorrow seems to mean मतलब कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ना कि अभी प्रॉब्लम्स मतलब बुराई जीत जाएगी सच्चाई पे over hope. No, it's not possible. At all time, hope wins over sorrow. So, let's go further. Yet, hope again elastic springs. If the sorrow seems to win, then hope again elastic springs and defeats sorrow. Unconquered meaning undefeated. Though she fell means तो वो गिर जाती है, एक बार अच्छाई हार जाती है लेकिन एक बार अच्छाई दब जाती है लेकिन कभी हारती नहीं है, वो वापस आती है. That only it is telling us don't be sad if you are following the truth and if gets दब वो दब जाता है तो don't be sad, it will come again jumping. Still buoyant are her golden wings. Buoyant means that which can rise upwards. So her wings are strong still to fly up. And golden, why? Because gold is the color of optimism. Optimism means positive attitude. Still strong to bear as well. Still strong to bear any problems and to face any problems in life. So this para teaches us that we should face all the problems, not even in lose our hope and always follow the truth. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear means manfully, bravely, fearlessly, boundlessly. So, the day of trial bear, we have to bear the day of trial with brave, fearlessly, and manfully, or gloriously, victoriously. Can courage quell despair? No. Never courage can be defeated by despair. All time courage wins over worries. Despair meaning worries. So this poem teaches us that we should never lose our hope. We should always have courage and with hope we should fight all the problems in the life. Don't be sad that because the happiness will also come after sadness. So let's do some questions based on it. There's a question. What do the sages say? The answer for it is the sages say that the life is very dark, very hard. Second, what does the rain often foretell? Answer is a pleasant day. The rain often foretells a pleasant day. What should we do during joyful times in life? The answer is that we should enjoy them. We should not be sad in that time also. Who does our best refer to? Our best refers to our loved ones and our relatives, friends. Why are the wings of hope golden? Because gold is the color of optimism, so it teaches us that wings of the hope are golden, means they are positive and they never are defeated. So, next, blue. These were the questions based on it. Some are more. Pick out from the poem two lines each that reflect an optimistic positive attitude and pessimistic negative attitude. That question is that we have to pick two negative attitude and positive attitude lines such that these are negative attitude pessimistic. What to death at times steps in and calls our best away. What to sorrow seems to win over a heavy sway. These are the two negative lines, and some positive lines are also there in the poem, such like this. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell, still strong to be ever spare. These are positive lines. Then give other ly words, adverbs of similar meaning for the following. Use a thesaurus if needed. So rapidly, answer is quickly, merrily, happily, gratefully, thankfully, cheerily, cheerfully, manfully, boundlessly, humanitily, fearlessly, bravely, gloriously, beautifully, victoriously, successfully. These were the examples. Then pick out three examples of interrogation. There are many examples of interrogation in the poem, such as sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. But oh, I lament its fall. It's an example. Then these two are examples. What to that at times and what to sorrow seems to win. These are the three examples of interrogation. Then pick out the examples of personification. Again, these are the examples of personification. Then and calls our best away is a gentle way of expressing the unpleasant idea of a loved one dying. It is a figure of speech called euphemism. इट वो ये बताता है कि किसी कोई गुजर जाता है ना तो हम डायरेक्टली नहीं बोलते वो चला गया वो मर गए ऐसा नहीं बोलते हम कुछ अलग तरीके से बोलते हैं ताकि किसी को बुरा ना लगे उसे बोलते हैं यूफेमिज्म that's the figures of speech. Here the example of euphemism is what to that at time steps in and calls our best away. वो डायरेक्टली नहीं बोला वो चला जाएगा वो मर जाएगा ऐसा नहीं it is some in different way. Some we have to give some examples. I will give you. He has passed away. Angel carried him away. He or she has become beloved of God. He is no more. These are the examples. So here we complete the poem 1.1 live. Please like and subscribe my channel and thanks for watching it.